first step involves gathering data to understand the scope of the problem. Review any existing maintenance records to determine the average lifespan of the metal halide bulbs. If such records are not available, begin tracking the dates when bulbs are replaced. This will provide a baseline for assessing bulb performance. Secondly, conduct a thorough inspection of the light fixtures and the bulbs themselves. Look for any physical damage to the fixtures, such as cracks, corrosion, or loose components. Ensure that all electrical connections are secure and properly insulated. Verify that the bulbs being used are the correct type and wattage specified for the fixtures. Using the wrong type of bulb can lead to premature failure and potential safety hazards. Thirdly, inspect the electrical system that supplies power to the fixtures. Use a multimeter to verify that the voltage at the fixtures is stable and within the specified range, typically 208 volts for the existing system. Check for any loose wires, corroded terminals, or other potential issues that could affect the power supply. Inspect the circuit breaker panel to ensure that the circuits are not overloaded and that the breakers are functioning correctly. Power companies can be valuable resources for analyzing power quality issues. They often offer power monitoring services to assess voltage fluctuations, harmonics, and other power disturbances. Contact the local power company to inquire about their power quality analysis services. They may be able to provide data and recommendations to address any identified issues. If a power condition problem is suspected, consider implementing power conditioning solutions. Several types of power conditioners are available, including surge protectors, voltage regulators, and harmonic filters. Surge protectors are designed to protect electrical equipment from transient voltage spikes, which can damage or destroy sensitive components. Install surge protectors at the circuit breaker panel or at individual fixtures to mitigate the risk of surge-related damage. Voltage regulators are used to stabilize incoming voltage fluctuations, ensuring that the voltage remains within the optimal range for the equipment. Voltage regulators can improve the performance and lifespan of metal halide bulbs by providing a consistent and stable power supply. Harmonic filters are designed to reduce harmonic distortion, which is caused by electronic devices and can negatively impact power quality. Install harmonic filters to mitigate the effects of harmonic distortion and improve the overall efficiency of the electrical system. When deciding whether to buy or rent power conditioning equipment, consider the following factors. Buying power conditioning equipment provides long-term cost savings if the power condition problem is persistent. It is a suitable option for situations where a stable and reliable power supply is essential. Renting power conditioning equipment is suitable for short-term or intermittent power quality issues. It allows you to address specific problems without investing in equipment that may not be needed long-term. Several power conditioner models are available in the market, each with its own features and benefits. The Eaton PowerWare 5115 is an affordable voltage regulator with surge protection, suitable for protecting individual fixtures or small circuits. The APC Surge Arrest Pro 1200 is a high-capacity surge protector with EMI or RFI filtering designed to protect multiple devices from surge-related damage. The CyberPower CPS1500 PFC LCD is a combination voltage regulator and surge protector with a liquid crystal display, providing both voltage stabilization and surge protection in a single unit. The Triplite LS2000, designed for 30 amp applications, is a powerful line conditioner with voltage regulation, surge protection, and harmonic filtering, suitable for protecting entire circuits or electrical panels. In addition to addressing power quality issues, consider implementing these additional tips to improve the lifespan of metal halide bulbs. Firstly, use high-quality bulbs from reputable manufacturers. High-quality bulbs are designed to provide longer lifespans and more consistent performance. Secondly, establish a regular maintenance schedule for inspecting and replacing bulbs as needed. This will help to prevent unexpected outages and ensure that the lighting system is operating at its best. Thirdly, provide training to maintenance personnel on proper bulb replacement techniques and fixture maintenance. Proper handling and installation of bulbs can significantly impact their lifespan.